is on how does studying pictures affect how you draw. For my IP, I want to test if someone studies a picture for long enough, then their art will look like a certain picture. So I think that if someone studies a picture for a long amount of time, then their art will start looking at the picture. I believe so because I've tried it on myself a lot of times, but I also wanted to try it on other people. The materials I needed were at least 6 sheets of paper, 3 pictures for each category of art, at least 4 blank sheets of paper so each person could draw on their pictures on, 1 pencil, and at least 2 people willing to do the experiment. First, you have to find 3 pictures from at least 2 categories of art. After that, find at least 2 people to study the pictures you found for those categories, and each person has to study a different category. And then have each person to draw a picture, not without referencing. That will be their before picture. And check on each person for every 3 days, and record if you've seen any improvement. And after 2 weeks, let each person draw a picture after they study what they drew. This will be the after picture. Compare the before and after picture. Rate the amount of improvement from 0% to 100%. 0% means that there was no improvement, and 100% means that there was a huge change in improvement, and the 2 pictures are almost unrecognizable. The variables were the categories given to each person, and the control is the amount of time given to each person, and also the amount of pictures. My data, this is person 1, this is person 2. Person 1 was able to make a huge amount of improvement between the 2 weeks, but person 2 didn't make that much improvement. And this is a line graph where I record how much they improve. Oh, there was supposed to be a data table at the last slide. So my hypothesis was correct, but I doubted because I didn't test enough people. I learned that many people can change how they draw by studying pictures. And that's it. Do you guys have any questions?
How much did they study the pictures?
They studied for 2 weeks, and I gave them 3 minutes to draw each picture. McCoy?
By improvement, how is that? So, make it look more like the pictures, or
if they look more appealing to a person.
Okay.
Barney?
But what if people are just bad at art, and they can't?
She was looking at improvement, so it's bad, going from bad to being not quite as bad.
But what if they never get better, even though they memorize the picture so clearly or something?
That's what she's saying.
Does anybody have any more questions?
Stop recording.